everyone! Come and join me. Let's draw and color a tool used for pounding nails into wood. Alright, let's go! A hammer is a tool with a hard, metal head and a long handle. When you hit it, it makes a bang-bang sound. Hammers have been around for thousands of years. The earliest ones were made of stone and used by cavemen. Our drawing is now complete. Let's add colors. Did you know that hammers can also help fix things by pulling nails out with their back part? Today, there are over 20 different kinds of hammers, like the claw hammer, ball-peen hammer, and sledgehammer, each used for special jobs. Isn't that cool? Great job! Hammers are super cool, but always remember, they're for grown-ups to use carefully. We hope you enjoy it. Until the next video.